Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss one more toolbar option for Access Client solution, which is for setting the display color. So for that, you need to locate this icon in your system, which is set up display colors, and then just simply click here, and it will open this window for you. Here you can see that there are three categories: field color, OIA color, and other. So one by one we will see like what all thing we can do here. And if you look on the top, it is mentioned here on your screen, click the area you want to change or select the from the list below. So if you, let's say if I want to change this color, right now it is coming as turquoise. So what I can do, I can simply select this color, just click on that particular color, and it will provide you this option where you can change the color. So right now I'm changing it for foreground, means uh, the like this is for foreground, this is for background, so I will make it as red. And so you can see now it is changed to red. Similarly, if I want to change the background color here, so I can make it as, let's say I want to make it as white, so it is changed to white. Okay, let me make it normal again. So for now I will make it as purple, and this one as, or let's say if by mistakenly you have changed any color, then you can simply click on reset and it will reset all your color back. Okay, so as previously, like by default it comes with green, but normally I always prefer to go with this color, that's why my screen look like this. Okay, now if we want to change this color, the function keys color. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply select that color on my screen up. After opening this window, I will select this color, and then from here you can change this color. So let's say I want to change it to dark brown, so I make it as brown. Okay, similarly if you want to change background color, you can change that also. So this is how we will change. Now another thing is this color. Let's say if I want to change this color, so I will select this, and from here I can change this color as well, so it is changed to red. By default it is on white. Now another information is this, so if I select this information, then it will provide me option to change the color, and I can change from here. So you can, okay, so it was not selected, let me select it this again. Let me reopen this. So first of all I will make reset all, and then I will select this color. So now I can select, let me reopen this. So from here I can means we saw like how these changes are done, means like if I want to change this color, so from here I can change it to red or whatever the color I want to select. Okay, now we were discussing about this icon. So for this you can select these options, status indicators. So if I click on status indicator, let me change this to dark green. So you can see this status indicator is changed to dark green. Okay, previously it was white, but now it is dark green. Similarly we have information indicator, which will change this color. So for this I will make it as red. So you can see now it is changed to red. Attention indicator, so we can change this attention indicator as well. Error indicator, so if I make error indicator as pink, so whenever there is any error occur, it will generate it in pink color. Okay, then we have OIA background color. So if I make it as blue, so you can see OIA color is changed to blue background color. Screen background color, so from here you can select the screen background color. Active field, so right now you can see active field is selected, highlight active field is selected, so I will make it as no. Otherwise if you want to highlight, you can change the color as well. Okay, then uh, crosshair ruler color, so if I want to make it red, so you can see now the cross is changed to red color. Then we have column separator. If you are using any column separator, you can make it as pink or whatever the color you want to select. So this is how we can customize these colors. And if you don't want to keep any changes, you can simply click on reset all and it will set up everything again for you. Okay, and let me change this color to my color, which is turquoise color. I usually go with this color. Okay, so it is changed. And if you want, like, this is the list of color from which you can select, but if you want to select any other color, you can open this palette, and from this palette you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so we just discuss you can select those color which you want to change, and then we have category, status indicator, information indicator, attention indicator, error indicator, OIA background, yeah, screen background, active field, crosshair, rule color, column separator. So these color you can select as per your requirement. So this is mainly used for customizing your system as per your own preferences. And once it is done, means if you want to keep a file, means you can export this thing, so that next time whenever you are using any system, you can simply import that file for setting the color. Okay, and then you can use this import option. For exporting, you can use this option. This is for undo. If you want to just retract the last changes, you can click on undo and it will open, it will reset the thing. And we have help window also. If you want to learn more about this thing, like what exactly we are doing here, then you can open this help window and there you will find all the information. So I hope this option is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.